Hi, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm Julie. I live in southern New Hampshire with my husband and 2 of our 3 kiddos. In today's video, we are cooking some HelloFresh meals. And this is an extra little video for this week. Just some fun we were having around the house, and I thought I would share with you. Enjoy. So today's video, we were getting some HelloFresh meals and my husband and I made it together. It was super delicious. It was beyond good. I would have ordered it every single week. And then what you'll see on the second half of the video is cooking another HelloFresh meal. There were a couple of problems with it. One, it had this really smoky flavor that none of us really like. Also, it was super salty. And then other than the cheese, there was no protein. We didn't film us eating it because none of us liked it. The best thing that comes from the experience was having a cooking lesson. So it was supposed to be like 5 minutes of prep time, and I think it was like well onto 30 minutes. So I think they're both pretty entertaining. Without further ado, there you go. It's your little extra video this week. Enjoy. Look at this. Look how pretty that is. I got a HelloFresh meal. I got this one called pork egg roll in a bowl. Honey is doing the sauces right now. Look how pretty this is. I thought for sure there wasn't going to be much vegetables. Y'all know how much I like vegetables. Look at that. This thing is huge. I got it for 4. All right, so I actually added a little bit of leftover lettuce, spinach. Put it in the bowl. It's pretty. Okay. Turn off. All right, so I'm gonna put the meat in. I don't know, it said to wipe out the pan, but I like to be a rebel. I'm adding a can of lentils to the pork because I don't like to be short on meat for the people in my family. And lentil is great because it's not gonna add any flavor itself. It'll take on the flavor of the meal. So, all right, I decided to make minute rice also just to add to. Ooh, damn, that's hot. Just to beef it up a little bit. Beef it. I should say pork it up because we're having pork, not beef. Gotta pork up our meal. All right, that's not much, but so what we'll do is we'll do a little rice in our bowl. Let me grab this. Elsa, don't worry, you won't be seen. I'll cut you out.
Oh, you're always cutting us out for Mom.
Oh, I just figure you want to be cut out. If you don't want to be, I won't.
I want to be famous.
All right, awesome. I think you'll be TikTok famous.
You'll be famous.
Okay, fine. And I'll be in my video. All right. And okay.
Great, Mom.
And then this is the sauce. So I guess we need sauce. All right.
I'm not a very good camera holder.
You're doing great.
Oh.
That's one bowl. Ready, get your fork.
Oh my God.
Everybody like it?
Mm-hmm. It's so good, Mom.
You don't like it, Elsa?
No, get more sauce.
More sauce. Nice, like more cowbell. Really good.
Mm-hmm. It's so good.
I'm actually surprised at how good this is.
I'm so happy.
Yeah. Pork, egg roll in a bowl. And I added lentil and rice. Really good.
Just keep going. These are
Yeah,
all
you're doing great. You can make them a little thinner if you want, if you are able. There you go. That's okay, close. Yep.
Are these all done?
Just, how does it feel? Plain?
Yeah.
Okay. So trim off like,
I don't know how they're supposed to be. Feels fine.
yeah, that one you can let go. These trim, just cut right here. Throw that out and throw all that out. There you go.
And this is all white stuff. So.
Yep. At some point, it's a little bit white and a little bit green. You just got to decide which pile they go into. The white pile is because it's going to get sautéed longer because it's, you know, thicker.
Mm-hmm. These are pretty things.
Yeah. Careful. If you go forward like that, so there you go. There you go.
Oh.
Nice. Excellent work.
They look a lot bigger than
And there's a little white piece right next to your shirt. Okay, before you do that, the end that's facing me is a root end, so just trim that off. Yep. Nice. It's so, isn't it?
I've never done it before.
It's so satisfying, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So you could squash it again to make it even flatter. Yep, and then you
That
just...
doesn't even do it that much.
Yeah, it did. Yep, just do... Let me show you something and on that last little piece. So the first set of cuts, if you go the lengthwise, now they're all lengthwise, right? Now you can go like this and you can get them smaller that way,
Oh, okay.
right? Then this is another way you can, if you feel like ever it's not chopped up enough and you want to do more, do like this.
Mm-hmm. Your Bronco bell.
Oh no! Ooh, this is better if I hold it like this.
No.
I have that Que Sera Sera song stuck in my head. Whatever will be, will be. The future is ours to see. Que Sera Sera.
Huh?
What will be, will be. You did not remove the root end of that.
I tried.
There you
I
go.
did.
Lovely job. Thank you.
What's wrong with the root? Maybe I like the root.
Go ahead. Eat it. Ooh, fancy schmancy.
It was too thick.
It's because you didn't pound it hard enough to flatten it out. Pound it. Oh, not with your knife. Boom. Thank you.
You made me mess up.
You made me ink. I am so glad there's fast forwarding on this.
You just
We gonna need it. We're gonna need it. Dinner's never gonna be ready at this rate.
You keep distracting me.
You're doing great, actually.
I'm gonna cut my fingies.
Dude, you're not. You're doing great. Got some serious beginner knife skills.
Thanks.
Seriously bad.
Shut up!
I'm just kidding. You're doing awesome.
That was the hardest thing ever.
You did
That wasn't
great.
the hardest.
You
It's so
ser-
sticky.
Yeah, garlic is. And it's actually why I always use pre-minced garlic in the jar. Nicely done. Place smoky red pepper crema in a small bowl. Paper? Pepper.
You said paper.
Oh my gosh.
Ew, what is this?
Pepper crema.
I don't want to see what it looks like.
It looks like creamy colored poop. Does it taste good?
Actually, I'm not tasting it. It's like spicy mayonnaise.
Oh, perfect. So now you're gonna put in
I'm not
2
putting-
teaspoons of water into there until the mixture reaches a drizzly consistency.
2 teaspoons?
2 teaspoons.
You know I had to make a bunch of cream cheese.
How do you make cream cheese?
I did. I took it from a bake container and put it in teeny tiny little to-go.
Oh, have fun.
And I did that, and then in a little mixy thingy mabobber, like the
Mm-hmm. A mixing bowl.
mixing bowl, and I had to mix it with garlic and herb, for one flavor,
Oh.
and chive.
Ooh.
But I did the chive one first because the garlic and herb one has chive in it, which meant I didn't have to wash the thing in between.
That's brilliant.
I have to add more water.
Yeah, because it doesn't look like it's a drizzly consistency yet.
You think this is a drizzly?
So
one more?
go like this with your whisk. Yeah, another one.
I think this is good.
Okay, yeah.
And that was actually good. I'm glad I did it.
Salt and pepper. A big pinch of the salt and a tiny pinch of the pepper. Is the water boiling yet?
Yeah, it's going on.
All right, take the cover off and put it down. A boiling cover like that, when you put it down, it can cool and create a suction. So put it up at an angle, maybe on the drying rack. Okay, so open up the pasta. There's a scissor right behind you. Okay. Oh, you're so cute. All right, set the timer for 9 minutes. You get out my everyday pan, the one on the right. Okay, the pastry scoop, you'll see. It's silver. Has
this thing.
Yep. Okay. Just put it all towards the center. Right. After the 5 minutes, we are going, and I'm probably going to use my English accent because I do that. We're going to improvise and add some pre-cooked taco meat. Taco meat. Grab 2 thingies and we're going to put it under the broiler, darling. You got it. Whoop, whoop. Close it gently.
That took way too long, Mom.
No, it's fine. All clean. Thank you. Thanks to you all who have stayed to the end. Please like this video and add a comment below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.